Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diamond if you are new here, and today's video is going to be a wig show and tell. But the brand that I am reviewing today is going to be LUVME Hair, and they sent me this lovely wig, and we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it, into the packaging and all the details about the wig. So if you're interested in watching this video, just stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're just gonna jump right into it. So just first starting out, this is the packaging. Now I love like this color, and I love like how the texture of the box feels. It kind of feels like it's like really smooth, and I think this is such cute packaging. Let's go ahead and look at what's in the box. All right, so when you first open the packaging, it comes, the inside is like this, and then it has a little quote. It says, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LUVME Hair." So inside of the box, this is what the wig comes in, this little purple sack bag that also says LUVME Hair. This cute little scrunchie. We got some eyelashes. We got a pair of hoop earrings. Ooh, cute. All right, so it looks like we also got some press-on holiday Christmas themed nails. The last thing that comes in a little sack is kind of like, I'm guessing this is a kind of a magnet. I'm not sure what it is. It's not a brooch. Is this like a bottle cap opener, maybe? And then we have a comb as well. Just have a little packet, a pamphlet about the hair care instructions of the hair. Okay, so now that we've unboxed what came inside of the package, what I'm gonna do next is go ahead and pop this wig on, just so I can go ahead and show you guys the hairline. So really quick, I do just wanna go over the specs of the wig. So this wig is called the New Fabulous Beyonce Celebrity Style Ombre Front Lace Wig. This wig is in the length of 22 inches. This wig is a virgin hair. It has 150 density. Again, it comes in like a blondish ombre color, and the lace is 13 by 4 inches of parting space. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put her on. I do want to say a disclaimer that I went ahead and bleached the knots off camera, and also I did a little bit of plucking to the wig. I will say the knots were a little bit black, so if you kind of want that seamless like scalp look, I would definitely go ahead and do an additional bleaching of the knots. And then also too, around the hairline, it was a little bit thick. So I'm also going to insert like a clip of just kind of the before of the wig, like the curl pattern that it did come in, and also to just a close-up of how the knots looked as well. Now I did, after I bleached the knots, I did go ahead and wash the hair once, and this is kind of like the natural state of well, it's kind of like brushed out a little bit, but it does have like a very small wave pattern to it in its natural state. It was very soft when I first took it out of its packaging, and then it is still soft after I went ahead and washed it as well. So the quality of the hair is really, really nice. It does also come with the standard 3 combs, and then elastic band, and then adjustable straps as well. I did have to go ahead and tighten those straps because it does feel a little bit big on my head. But before I go ahead and curl the wig, I just want to go ahead and show you guys the hairline of it. All right guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut this lace. Okay guys, so now I'm just about to segue into melting down this lace. So let's go ahead and do that. So like how I like to melt the lace, I usually do it by piece. I don't really like spraying the Got2b glue like on the lace. I don't know, I just feel like Got2b, the spray kind of gets a little bit messy and it like runs down like my face, and I just don't want that. So I just go ahead and use the glue and put it on like this pick, and and then just do it like piece by piece, honestly. Just put some glue under. Make sure it's like below, back behind the lace. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show the aftermath pretty much of like how one side is, when one side is glued down. Okay guys, so I went ahead and just kind of laid my hair down for a little bit. So the next phase, I'm going to go ahead and curl her. So let's get right into that. Okay, so always what I like to go in first before I curl my hair is with the Bio Silk hair serum, and I just I'm gonna section each of the hair and then just like take like about this section, probably piece it a little bit more and then curl it that way. But I always put some Bio Silk on there before I go ahead and curl the hair as well. Okay guys, so I am finished curling my hair. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and plug out the curls just to show you guys, just to kind of just run my fingers through the hair to show you. Like, it is so soft. Like, I'm like really shocked. This is probably like one of the softest hairs like I've ever had, but I'm gonna just finger comb through it so you guys can see this comb, just to kind of give it like a little beach wavy, loose wave type look as well. See? Beautiful. Okay guys, so here we have the final look. Let's get into it. Look at that body wave, and the color just like is so, it just graciously moves, like flows. I'm just absolutely loving this ombre color. I think it really speaks for itself. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see like the whole length where it comes. I'm about 5'3", so the hair stops right above my butt. I'm completely like surprised. I don't know why, but it's just very full, as you can tell, which is, you know, always a good thing. I do want to say like the curls keep dropping a little bit, but I know like sometimes when you curl it the day of, that is bound to happen. It's usually like when you pin it overnight is where it really gets its structure, but now it's kind of just in its loose wave state. But it curled really nicely. Like I said, the hair is really super soft, like no tangles at all. It does shed a little bit, but not too much. The quality of the hair, I was just, you know, shocked by it. The quality is really good. But also later on down the road, you know, when wigs are new, it's fresh, so I'll probably really get a feel for the quality maybe like a month in or two. The coloring is like, honestly, it's really like done to perfection. I really love the ombre look. I think it's so beautiful. And then like, look, like it's just like easy breezy, like rubbing my fingers through this hair. Like, It's literally so soft. Like, I'm just like, I feel like this is like the softest hair, honestly, like legit, like the softest hair I probably ever like had. I don't know, like I'm just like pleasantly like shocked. Like, I just didn't think the quality of this hair would be like this, honestly. This hair is really full. I love the thickness of it. And this is like the hairline of the wig, as you can see. I didn't go full throttle with plucking. Again, I feel like it's up to your preference in plucking. I probably could go back and pluck a little more. It was thicker than what it still is now. I only plucked it a little bit, but you can definitely pluck it to your liking. I would probably definitely rate it a 9 out of 10. Also, just because I just feel like the hairline of it is like really thick, and that you have to really go again, and you have to pluck a lot to really get it to that thinness of that hairline. But I would probably say that's pretty much the only con. I'm just in love with this. I feel like this unit is definitely perfect in time for the holidays coming up. Okay guys, so that's all that I have for you today. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of this unit, and if you're gonna go out and purchase her. Again, I want to thank you LUVME Hair for sending me this unit as well. Also, in the description box down below, I'm going to be linking the direct link to this unit, as well as a promo code. So yeah guys, this is all that I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys in my next one.